Hey, for all of you out there that have been looking at real estate right now and reading the headlines and looking at Cardone Capital, thinking about investing with me, we, as you might know, we suspended distributions. I know a lot of the haters know about this. We suspended distributions in March when the pandemic, or April when the pandemic started. As a frugal, very conservative, fiduciary responsibility to make sure we keep our properties, take care of our tenants, continue to reinvest in our assets, our physical assets, until at which time we had some kind of certainty about what was going on with the economy. Yesterday, I approved $6.3 million in distributions to our investors. That is $6.3 million, okay? Look, invest in great assets. Find great assets that will take care of you and your family forever. Take care of those assets. Make sure you take care of those assets. Make sure you have capital set aside to fund the property, fund the taxes, fund the debt, and to fund the improvement of the properties. In addition to the $6.3 million we distributed, I think we have $3.6 million, another $3.6 million sitting aside for operations. Don't hold me to that number. I think that's accurate. And for you guys that are investors, if you want to call my office, you can find out exactly what that number is. We're completely transparent. And then there's another $22 million. That's right, $22 million. I think $22,690,000 sitting for CapEx across the properties. So this is great news for our investors, great news for Cardone Capital. We've raised almost $400 million. We have almost 8,000 units. The fund that we have right now is closed. I think it's filled up as of yesterday at our investor meeting. We sent out some checks that were as high as $85,000 yesterday, some checks that were $400. So if you're playing the game, if you're playing the real estate game, my advice to you, for whatever it's worth, I've been doing this thing for 35 years. I've been buying real estate for 35 years. The life I have today is because of the real estate I own. I mean, I work hard in my other businesses, but the real estate just takes care of you all the time. When you're sleeping, it pays you. If you're buying good real estate in great locations, I just finished working out. Good real estate in great locations that is not over leveraged. Don't over leverage your property. Pick great locations. Better to pay a higher price, okay, and a lower cap rate and get a good location. I'm telling you, man, 50 feet can make a difference in your rents. It can make a difference in your operations. It can make a difference in your traffic, your foot traffic. It can reduce your advertising bill. It can increase your renewals. Literally, like, the location of your property can change the cost of operations, the cost of advertising, the amount of renewals that you get at the property. So whether you want to do this on your own or I can help you, we're doing a mastermind in July, 2-day mastermind for serious real estate investors. It's I think it's at my website, grantcardone.com/RE mastermind. You want to come spend 2 days, bring your deals with you. I'll underwrite them for you. I'll help you get debt on them. I'll help you find investors for them if you want to do that. If you want to invest with me, the website's cardonecapital.com. We're getting ready to open up a new fund. It's called an opportunity fund. This is for higher risk because of what's going on in the marketplace. I'm looking for deals that maybe have a lower occupancy right now, carry a little more risk with it, but I think the returns will be even better long term. So this is going to be for accredited only and maybe a handful of select unaccredited, but I got to figure that out from a legal standpoint, how to set that up. We've allowed accredited and non-accredited in the past. I did the non-accredited. A lot of people ask, why are you letting little guys in? Okay, well, a guy that makes $190,000 a year and has been for the last 5 years, but never cracked 200 and doesn't have $1 million worth of assets yet, that is considered by the SEC a little guy, which I don't consider that to be a little guy at all, okay? I opened up the funds to non-accredited because I have family members that could not invest in my fund. I have employees that don't make enough money to invest in my fund, but I know that if they invest with me long-term and stick and stay, their investments could end up making them accredited investors before their incomes would. So that's why I did it. I did it because I started as a little guy. Everybody starts as a little guy, folks. Okay, it's ridiculous. Oh, Grant Cardone's taking money from the little guy. I'm a little guy too. I was a little guy, started as a little guy. Everybody starts as a little guy, okay? Mark, Warren, Jeff, all little guys. All started as, we're all little guys in the beginning. So Cardone Capital, $6.3 million in distributions. They go out Monday. So you'll either get your wire or you'll get your ACH or you'll get your check. I know a handful of you still get checks. So we'll send that out, 6.3 million. And then July, we'll send out the June. And then August, hopefully we send out the July and everything's cool and we're going and we're rocking and we're rolling. So find great properties. If you're buying them on your own, find great properties. If you're investing with somebody, make sure the guy you're investing with or the gal you're a company you're investing with, make sure you have access to them. Make sure they get on a call with you. Like we did a 1 hour Zoom call with our investors yesterday. They asked me questions, went over what they wanted to know, asked me about everything from tax write-offs to appreciation to what I thought about the future to other possibilities and opportunities, etc. So make sure the person that you're investing with you have access to. We pay out every month. We do cash distributions on a monthly basis. We pay a 6% target. We target properties that can do 6% annualized and hit a 15%. Internal rate of return. Now, in the future, we're going to be looking at deals that hit to 15 to an 18, but don't maybe have the cash flow component. Anyway, I'd love to have you involved with us if that works. If not, look, remember this, okay? Watch the location. If you like this video and you want other real estate videos, I do a real estate video every Monday, a show where I take calls. If you want access to that, make sure you turn the bell on. Comment below. Oh my God, Grant Cardone paid out $6.3 million. Send this to the haters, all right? Send this to all the punks out there. All the punks out there trying to say, I'm gonna go bankrupt. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm over leveraged. All these guys saying all this bullshit, okay? $6.3 million. We're on track this year to send out $25 million in cash to our investors, $25 million in cash. All these punks doing videos, not just about me, but about anybody that's excelling, an exceptional person in their field. You punks that are making videos about everybody. In your lifetime, you will not send out as much money. In your lifetime, you will not see as much money as I sent out. I approved to send out Monday morning. Money talks. And haters, shit, they don't do anything. God bless you guys. Be great. Comment below. Woo, what a beautiful day. Woo, what a beautiful day. I want to invite all my haters down to the beach.